Well, hello friends and followers. I gave this heatsink a bit of a cleaning. I didn't go crazy on it, but I took some Scotch-Brite to it. I don't know if this is pure copper or not. Probably is, but I didn't want to go crazy on it. Cleaned it off a bit. Here's the finals board. This amplifier board was on the right side of the amp, looking forward into it, and this board works, so I didn't want to really do too much with it. I did put in that new orange capacitor you see right there because that was open. It had fallen apart. Should probably replace the other orange other capacitor right there with the same one. It's a 0.1, but I figured, well, it's working. Don't disturb it. So this is going to go back in the way it is. And I remember that one of these transistors wasn't very tight, so it has nice new thermal compound that I used to use on CPU boards here. So thermal compound is newer stuff that hopefully will work well. It's from a few years ago, probably 2020, 2021. Instead of 1980, where this thermal paste was. This thermal paste on this thing was kind of sticky, and I don't know. Anyway, it did work. In fact, there's some of it down there. So I'll put this back together and see how it goes. I gotta find the little cardboard wrapper that goes on there. Put that on and bolt that down, and off we go. Let's see if I can find the cardboard for it. I guess I'm not that organized today, am I? Here's the rest of the amp. I've been kind of tearing it apart on the floor here. There's some of the wiring. There's the cardboard right there. It's got some of the old stuff on it, so I guess that goes on like that. Goes on like this. Is that correct? Or like this? Yep, goes on like that. And then we'll plug it onto the board. All right, I can't do this one hand, so that's what I'm up to. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.